Hello everyone, welcome back to TechTube. In today's video, I'm gonna show you how to remove background in CapCut. So as you can see, we are currently inside the CapCut and a photo has already been imported. Go to edit option. Within the editing option, locate cutout. Click on cutout. You will encounter three choices. Select customize. We will be avoiding the remove background tool as it is not always reliable. Once you are in the customize cutout section, you will find two tools, brush and wipe. Use the brush to select the objects you want to keep in your video. Everything else will be removed. To preview the results, there's a small eye button that lets you see how the photo looks after removing the background. The wipe tool is for erasing your brush selections. We won't be refining our selection in this video because it's merely a demonstration of how to remove a background in CapCut. So this is how easily you can remove background in CapCut. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel, and also do not forget to press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I'll see you again in next video. Goodbye till then.